Hi, Rotimatic family. Neha here from Dubai, and I want to share my Rotimatic life with you. I would say. So, firstly, I want to thank the inventors of this great robot that has made our lives a lot easier. I became a part of the Rotimatic family earlier this year, around February time frame. And my reason of getting Rotimatic is a bit different from a lot of other people that I know of, my friends basically. Um, the reason being, I actually used to knead the dough and make the rotis pretty regularly before I got Rotimatic. So it wasn't like, oh, I'm not eating any rotis and I need to start getting on that. The reason why I actually got this amazing robot was because I went to States last year, and my friend there, she owns a Rotimatic, and so we tried the fresh Rotimatic rotis for the first time there, and I fell in love with the taste of it. I actually ate a lot more than I normally would, and when coming from a girl, that's a big thumbs up. We don't like to eat that much. We're always on like some sort of diet and like all that. At least I am. Actually, I shouldn't say we, but yeah, I am. So I ate a lot more than I normally would, and so did my husband, and that's when I was like, oh, I need to get this machine. It's really, it saves a lot of time, and it's yummy, like the rotis that come out of it. And at that time, I had not even tried pizza and stuff, although I think it had just come out. But yeah, but we didn't on that trip try anything else, and so finally when I realized that Rotimatic's delivering to UAE, I was like, I've got to get one of these, and it was actually my anniversary present, and a really great present to it, and we've been enjoying all the different things that Rotimatic has to offer since, especially I've tried like fajitas, I've tried quesadillas, and because you don't have to like make the base, I actually have time to try a lot more things. Like I've made everything at home, like salsa and stuff like that, because I have more time now. I don't need to make the base, and and it's fresh. And one thing that is a hit in my family, and when I say family, I don't just mean me and my husband or my son. I mean my parents, my in-laws. They all loved the pizza so much. That I have, when they were here, we were making it so regularly that at one point I was like, oh my god, I'm maxed